Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about our next topic, respiration. Respiration is simply a catabolic process. Catabolic means breakdown. With such process in which breakdown takes place. Which substance is going to break here? It is glucose. We just absorb glucose from the digestive system. डाइजेस्ट सिस्टम में आपने पढ़ा कि आपने क्या किया था, ग्लूकोज है, फैटी एसिड है, प्रोटीन है, यानी अमीनो एसिड है, इसको आपने एब्जॉर्ब किया था। फिर वो डाइजेस्ट किया था। डाइजेस्ट करने के बाद इंटेस्टाइन के इलियम पार्ट में वो एब्जॉर्ब हुआ था एंड फ्रॉम द इलियम इट इज़ ट्रांसफर्ड इनटू द ब्लड एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट टू द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी। यानी सेल तक ये फिर ग्लूकोज या प्रोटीन या अमीनो एसिड या फैटी एसिड ये सेल तक पहुँचाया जाता है। जब सेल के पास ये पहुँचेगा तो इन द प्रेजेंस और एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द एनिमल, इफ इट इज़ रेस्पिरेशन टेक्स प्लेस एरोबिकली मीन्स if animal respire in presence of oxygen, then it breaks glucose in presence of oxygen, and if oxygen is absent then breakdown of glucose takes place in the absence of oxygen. So products will get changed when oxygen is present or oxygen is absent. So respiration is simply a catabolic process. Catabolic process means it is a breakdown in which breakdown takes place. Which substance is going to break here? It is glucose. So it is the catabolic process in which breakdown of food occurs. Food in form of glucose, in form of fat, in form of protein. Okay, so breakdown of glucose occurs in presence or absence of oxygen, means if oxygen is present or if oxygen is absent, so it get absorbed. This process is simply known as respiration. So respiration is a process in which breakdown of glucose or food takes place in presence or absence of oxygen. Types of respiration. Respiration on the basis of presence and absence of oxygen. On the basis of presence or absence of oxygen, respiration is mainly two types, aerobic and anaerobic. In case of aerobic respiration, oxygen is present, and in case of anaerobic respiration, oxygen is absent. Here, because of oxygen is present, so complete breakdown of food or glucose takes place, and because oxygen is absent here, so incomplete breakdown of food occurs. If breakdown of glucose takes place in presence of oxygen, then end product which are formed here in case of aerobic respiration is carbon dioxide and water, and in case of anaerobic respiration the end product is alcohol or acid. This process is also known as fermentation. In case of fermentation, alcohol or acid formation occurs. So in bakery industry we mainly use this process. In case of aerobic respiration, when breakdown of glucose takes place in presence of oxygen and carbon dioxide and water is released, during this process large amount of energy is released, and in case of anaerobic respiration less amount of energy is released. The example is human and it is yeast. So if oxygen is present, then complete breakdown of glucose takes place and carbon dioxide water is formed. This one is end product and large amount of energy is produced. But in case of anaerobic respiration, if oxygen is absent, then glucose breaks anaerobically, means in absence of oxygen, and acid or alcohol is formed. Depend upon the carbon number. If one carbon is there, then methyl alcohol is formed. 2 carbon is there, then ethyl alcohol. 3 carbon is there, then propyl alcohol. Acidic case में if 1 carbon is there, then formic acid. If 2 carbon is there, then acetic acid. 3 carbon is there is propionic acid. So depending upon the carbon number, the product will form. Okay, so simple, it is the respiration. Respiration is what is respiration actually? It is a catabolic process in which breakdown of food occurs in presence or absence of oxygen. There are two types of respiration in presence on the basis of presence and absence of oxygen. If oxygen is present, then it is known as aerobic, and if oxygen is absent, then it is known as anaerobic. In case of aerobic respiration, complete breakdown of food takes place, and the product which are formed is carbon dioxide and water with large amount of energy. The example is human. But in case of anaerobic respiration, incomplete breakdown of food takes place, and end product which are formed is alcohol and acid. is alcohol and an acid with less amount of energy is released. Carbon dioxide release in both cases in aerobic as well as in aerobic respiration. Example is yeast. Okay. So this is about respiration and type of respiration. In next video we will discuss about the detailed mechanism of the respiration. Thank you class.